Assalamu alaikum and Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will discuss about the queue in Dart. Dart also provides the user to manipulate a collection of data in the form of a queue. A queue is a first in first out data structure where the element that is added first will be deleted first. It takes the data from one end and remove it from the another end. Queues are also useful when you want to build a first in first out collection of data. It is a special case of the list implementation of the data in Dart. I explain you with an example. Once you are booking a ticket on airport, on any other platform like Selma or any other else, or once you are buying once you are shopping in a mart in a long queue like this, once the user which come first on the counter person will uh, put the counter person take cash and put a ticket to that person, or clear if he is buying something, then clear first which person come first on the counter. The counter person no care who is making noise like that person or making something else. I explain you with an practical example in a Dart. I already have created a Dart class. The sentence of the Dart is the sentence of the queue is start with queue string. Make sure once you are creating the queue with the same data type and put the same data. Queue also have the same data type of the queue. If you are creating the string queue, you must put the data in a string form. If you are creating the queue in an integer form, then put the int or integer data. Queue new queue. If you have not any I print this statement, print that queue statement to check what is added in the queue. You will see there is no addition in the queue. Then this print statement show an empty empty uh, empty show. I add the data in the queue like a list. If you have not watched the list or have not any idea about the list, please watch the whole playlist of Dart. You can find the list. The code is also here. List statement, grabable list statement. Add we use the add statement to insert the data in the queue. Queue variable queue dot I am using to add the string queue, so I add the string data like something John. I save my time to copy and paste that in the Android Studio. The shortcut key is command D, and if you are using the window operating system, then this duplicate command is control plus D. Ali, Wali, Mohsen, Ahsan, and another name is Noor, and last one this is a temp data. You can data add data that you have require. I explain you in the future example, like once I am copying the data from API to another API, this is used, or once I replicate the data, print. Let's run this. I explain you. You can check the print statement that I print here. Empty queue is printed. Then I add the data in the queue. The data is printed here. John, Ali, Wali, etc. and Noor, Zia, etc. Ahsan, Mohsen. This is all about the queue. Next lecture will be about the control statement in the dot. Thank you and Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.